Hello everyone, my name is Naresh Jasutani, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a connected proactive inventory tracking to a seamless execution of a global supply chain. This is the power of Gemini Enterprise to be able to understand a complex logistical challenge, link it to a different variety of capacity planning, supply chain issues, and bring it together for you. Gemini Enterprise brings together the best of Gemini, intelligent automation, and your enterprise data to prevent any line stoppages. This becomes the front door of AI for your employees. Let's get to the story.
Working on the new capacity plan and schedule.
All right, in this video, what you saw is on the factory floor, assembly line is in full swing, operating smoothly in the background. The AI system continuously tracks component usage without requiring manual input. This ease of operation ensures that the workforce remains completely focused on building the product, drastically transforming the daily efficiency. Suddenly, as you saw, the system detects a potential disruption, a low inventory of spark plugs. By proactively identifying the shortage, the platform delivers immediate business value, preventing a costly manufacturing bottleneck and protecting your operational OI. Let's see how everything gets together. Gemini Enterprise. And in the Gemini Enterprise, on the left side, you would see a lot of agents. In the agent section, you would see a lot of agents. I'm going to focus on purchasing concierge. And I am going to order spark plugs. Let's put 100 spark plugs order in. I want to purchase 100 spark plugs. And you would see that the list of available spark plugs are displayed. Next, we are going to order one spark plug, which is level 3. And I'm going to put the 3. Now what you're seeing is instead of a complicated procurement process, system automatically sources the parts, routes the solution to the floor manager. With a very user-friendly interface, this on his mobile tablet, the order is confirmed instantly, moving the diagnosis to resolution in seconds. So let's look at instantly the alert went to the capacity planning manager, where the power of cross-team collaboration, bridging the gap between the factory floor and the headquarters. So let's do the capacity plan manager. So you have capacity planning agent. You're going to upload files from the system based on the capacity requirement. And then I'm going to say, please plan based on the details. And there you go. This is your capacity plan document. Plan based on this document. And this is the capacity plan document. You have line 3, automated coil winding and assembly. You have infrastructure, current data, demand projection. So what it does is it understands what's really happening. It reconfirms that there is an issue with the manufacturing plant, the assembly line, and automatically it does change the entire plan in order to match what you're going to be producing. So it tells you the capacity analysis, it gives you current capacity utilization. It created a visual representation of the projected demand versus the actual capacity. Now, it will also tell you when would the capacity be exceeded. It's another agent that we have created. Please look at the other videos that we have. And then you have scaling cost, options, lead time, everything. This is the power of connected ecosystem. A small spark plug alert to an automated ordering system, an automated capacity planning alert so that these teams can go and work in collaboration.